yang, 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 yang. Oh, shit. Oh! Boy, I almost lost my whole leg, y'all. My whole leg. But woo! Wait! Oh, my goodness. Do you ever hit different? Looking like... Well, hold on, motor. Hold on. You detached right now, but we're going to get you together. Oh, shit. I thought I knew what I was doing. Maybe I don't. Come on, man. You messing up my video. Oh, man. Come on. Oh, man. You leaning more than somebody's grandma. Bush, you got to listen with a thing. Oh, man. There we go. How you look right there? How that look, y'all? What the f is up, boy? OCC Stingray Schwinn with the Connie Corsos in the back. Man, if I ain't doing it big, who else is, damn it? What it is, my YouTube family. Hope everybody out there is having an amazing day. Boy, what a beautiful day it is. I ain't going, take this video out and drag it all out drastically. And I'm going to get right into it, because my viewers love when I do that. So today, I mean, y'all seen the title, so that's why y'all clicking on this video. But yes, today I am starting the motorized bike build. Now, mind you, yes, me, my pops, my brother, and we've been doing this motorized bike thing for a good bit also. Just haven't posted on YouTube. What a better way to start another build with bringing y'all along, huh? How about that? So this right here, ooh-wee, OCC chopper. Look at the color, though. Look at that thing hit different in the sun. Is that thing sizzling or what, y'all? Woo-wee. Yes, and what y'all see right there? Mama, there go that man. There go that man, mama. Oh, yes, YD100. Yeah, I'm going big. Go big or go home. You know what I mean? And plus, you know what I mean? Guy is not really on the little side these days. I mean, Popeyes and Chick-fil-A. That Chick-fil-A was you. Yes, I know I could get in the gym and all. Tank, take better care of yourself. You can do it. But I'm on beast mode. I'm on beast time. Silverback Griller. Back into this video. Yeah, so this right here is going to be the next build on the channel. Now, mind you, yes, the Polini is still on and popping. The KX80 is still on and popping. I'm actually waiting on something for the KX80 before I bring that back on the channel. But, you know what I'm saying? It's starting to warm up in this beautiful beginning of February time right now. But look at this, y'all. Look at this. Now, yes, I know all of the pieces aren't there. That's why it's called a bike build. I wanted to bring this to the channel before getting it started. And bringing y'all along after that. I wanted to bring y'all in right from the start, so I just picked this up from a friend that passed away, rest in peace, and definitely appreciate it and definitely going to great hands. Look at the meat back on there. She like that meat, boy. We riding big, you know what I mean? Yeah. So this isn't the expensive OCC chopper, this is like the Toys R Us special edition type thing, but nevertheless, this thing is still gorgeous, y'all. I mean, what? Y'all tell me, is this thing beautiful or what? So we're gonna get this thing built up. I got some special stuff that I'm gonna bring to the channel, try something different. I seen a lot of these going around these days, and no, that's not what made me want to bring mine onto the channel. It's just I'm different. You know, I like to be different. A lot of people like to do the same stuff, and it's a comfortable thing. I get it, but I'm different. I like to go outside the box and try something new. Now, what I'm doing right here with that YD100, that's not new. A couple people I've seen did it, but they just went a little half. You know, I'm about to take this thing to the next level. So is y'all ready for that? Is y'all ready for that or what? I mean, because when they see me riding on this, they see me rolling. They hating. OCC chopper gonna be riding dirty. Yeah, man. Yeah. Give y'all some close-ups. Man, why you got to be so big back there? Pause. You know, no homo, but I'm just saying, this thing is built. And the color, y'all, look, this is pink. That's right. And a lot of y'all out there might be saying, Tank, that's a girl's bike. Call it what you want. It ain't no girl's bike. You know, and I'm bright. I love bright colors. So this fits me perfect. And I'm going to show y'all that whether you think this is a girl's bike or not, it ain't going to be a girl's bike if you think it is. Brutus, get out the way. Yeah, y'all see. I know he hasn't been on the channel a lot. You know, keeping him in hideout. He lost a little bit of weight. He's going to get his weight back up there. He got in a fight with a raccoon. Brutus! Brutus, did you fuck the raccoon up or what, man? Did you get him? I know you got him, boy. I know you got him. And yeah, Shiny, you ain't left out neither, you beautiful little girl. Yes, those of y'all that's new, these are my Cane Corsos. Yes, a lot of people call them Cane Corsos. They are not Cane Corsos. They are Cane Corsos, Italian Mastiffs, all right? Just something for y'all to start pronouncing right. Because I'm tired of people saying, oh, you got them Cane Corsos? I ain't got no Cane Corsos. I tell them no. I ain't got no Cane Corsos. What, them Italian Mastiffs? Yeah. Oh, you mean Cane Corsos? Yeah, that's what I got. Yeah, so he was 160. He's probably about like, I'd say probably about 150 now on a good day. And she's probably about like 1.8, 110. Something like that. Yeah, you beautiful girl. And yeah, I'm trying to breed and thing. It's not working out too good right now, but God has a plan for everything. And when his plan comes, I'm going to have puppies. That's what it is. But boy, you is husky. Look at the size of this guy. Hoo-wee! Yeah. So those of y'all that don't think this is a big dog, come see him in person. You will be shocked. Now, so, you know, I'm not going to make this video too long. I just wanted to introduce this bike to the channel and get it up and store. Y'all drop it down in the comments. What do y'all want to see on this thing? You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, I'm going to give one thing away. You know, I haven't seen nobody out there do the whole LED thing on a bike like this. I mean, yeah. So if you out there and you go and put it on YouTube after this, then I know that you copied. So stop it. Don't say that you did it first. Ain't nobody trying to hit. And who cares if you did it first? You ain't going to do it like me. But y'all, this is it. This is it. Now, from what the looks of it is, I'm going to need the electronics. You know, I still got, I got the exhaust for the YD100. I'm going to change the grips out. I think I'm going to keep this clutch cable because I like it, especially with this safety mechanism right here, the new ones. I like that. The carburetor, I'm going to go with a, I'm not sure yet. I got a 28 millimeter carburetor that I'm thinking about putting on there. And I'm thinking about changing this back sprocket up too. Not too sure. Not too sure. But you know, this bike just needs a little bit and a little bit of cleaning up. Now, am I going to keep the paint and keep the color? Yes, I'm going to try to save it, you know. And if it's a little messed up, so what? You know, it's a motorized bike. It's for me to hit the streets and get busy. Yeah, it's not going to go 15 miles an hour. It might do about 45, 50. But who's counting? You know what I mean? And at the end of the day, these little horsepowers, them cops ain't worried about it as long as you respect the road. You know what I mean? But, so, there y'all have it. This is the beautiful beast that's coming to the channel. I ain't got no name on her yet, but drop some names in the comments also. I want to hear some names. What y'all think about this? What y'all think I should actually call her? Yes, it's a her. I am riding her. You know, she is slim up the top and thick in the rear. Oh my gosh, do you got some hips on your boy? You got some hips on your girl. That's what I said. That's why I straddle her up. That's exactly why I straddle her up. Ooh, All right, y'all. So there you have it. Hope y'all are having an amazing day, you know, chasing your dreams to the best of your abilities. You know, nobody is promised tomorrow. So with that being said, like, comment, subscribe, show your smile. What is you doing over there? Man, now I got to clean up shit!